Hi dear Cancer. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to force yourself to fit into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Ace of Wands. This is somebody who might be new, somebody new who might be interested in you, and or this person feelings ignite is feeling right now to ignite the spark between you and them again, or starting from the start with a very passionate energy. Okay, let's clarify this. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as their feelings for you. We have the Four of Wands and the High Priestess and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, this person is very excited. They feel very excited whenever they think about the situation between you and them. And they feel like they are intuitively feeling like slowly but surely this situation has the potential to lead to some kind of long term partnership, some kind of marriage kind of a deal, or commitment kind of a deal. So they strongly feel you guys are having a strong potential to make the situation slowly but surely go towards commitment, a long term partnership. This might be somebody who's not very expressive, or a very intuitive person, or very spiritual kind of a person that you might be dealing with. Um, and or somebody who is not very expressive. They don't express too much of their emotions, but their actions might be speaking louder than their words. So this is someone new or newish. Maybe you started connecting with somebody again. If that's the case, that's also possible. Or it's a new person who is feeling very attracted to you, very infatuated to you, very excited to be with you, and they feel like slowly but surely this situation can head somewhere good. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? We have the Six of Cups. From your side, you feel nostalgic. You're missing somebody from your past. There is a sense of feeling like nostalgia, feeling like you're missing a soulmate from a previous connection. Maybe you are not still over a person or a situation that you left behind physically. For some of you, you feel like having reconciliation with somebody from your past and you still love them. Let's clarify the Six of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation. Hmm. So we have the Knight of Wands, the Judgment, and the Three of Swords. Yeah, you are feeling like you should let go, release this on and off, in and out feelings and heartbreak and hurt and pain that you are experiencing because of a past person or past situation, and you are still healing from that heartbreak and the hurt and the pain. And you are feeling like recovering from that person or that situation. Somehow you still feel reconciliation should happen, but at the same time you feel like this might or might not happen, so I should just keep moving forward in my life. I should not stop myself from moving forward. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Five of Cups. Their intention here is to get out of this feeling. uh okay, this person wants to come out of the disappointment or disappointments that they had in their previous connections. Okay, they might be having certain kind of regrets and or guilt regarding their previous connection. They might have done something, or they might have gone through something that put them into this kind of situation, but they want to get out of get out of the pain that they experienced in their previous connections. And now, okay, let's clarify the Five of Cups as their intentions. So we have the Emperor, the Eight of Wands, and the Fool card. Yes, this person wants to close all the chapters of their previous connections. They want to like keep things very very crystal clear between you and them. You know, this person wants to have back and forth communication, heart to heart communication, maybe meeting you face to face, and this person wants to take the leap of faith with you in moving forward. This person wants to take the risk of moving forward with you. Okay, because they somehow have this knowing that you and them have a strong potential to become something really beautiful and meaningful in the coming future. So they want to let go of the past, hmm, completely out of their system, and they want to like keep things very very crystal clear and beautiful and positive between you and them, and then they want to move forward with you, then not then. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer. We have the Knight of Swords. You just want to, okay, you just want to go ahead with this energy of my way or the highway, or I'm not playing this game. My rules, my ways, my energies, or else I'm not playing this game with you at all. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords as your intentions for this particular person or situation, honey. We have the Ace of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Yes, you want to have crystal clear clarity and understanding of what is going on in your head first, and then you want to tell it to the other person also. You don't want to create any kind of misunderstandings. You don't want to give anybody false hopes. So maybe you just want to keep things cordial or friendly with somebody who is interested in more than friendship kind of a deal with you, because you're still dealing with the previous connection, the previous bond, the previous heartbreak. You just don't want another kind of heartbreak or disappointment, or you just don't want to hurt anybody. That is why you want to keep things very very clear, and you just want to play this game by your own rules, that if you can be friends with me, if you can continue playing this game with me like I want to play it, we are okay to go, we are good to go. Otherwise I am not playing this game anymore. I'm not saying you're playing game or anything, it was just a metaphor. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 2nd of August, Cancer, for this situation. We have the Page of Swords. It's like there is going to be distance between you guys, whether it's going to be deliberate or somebody is going to distance themselves from the situation. Okay, maybe one of you is going to do that, but I do see you, somebody watching you from a distance, keeping tabs on you, keeping eyes on you, what you are up to, and what all that thing. Let's clarify the Page of Swords as a potential outcome for you guys. We have the Lovers in the reverse position, and then we have the Hanged Man and the Sun card. Okay, so one of you is going to understand the timing of the situation is not right now. Okay, this is not about making the choice or decision in this particular dynamics between two people, two energies. This is all about right now the timing is not right for the situation to move forward. Even if one of you is crazy for the other person, here one of you is not at all ready. So it's like this situation is going to get the crystal clear clarity of a sunny day. Everything is going to be crystal clear right in front of you, right in front of them. And then there is this energy of either maintaining the distance that you guys already have, and or one of you distancing themselves from the situation by gaining the clarity that even if I want to proceed further, it's not happening right now. Maybe in the coming future I'll think about it, I'll see what I can do about it. That is a potential outcome for you guys till the end of this week. Let's see by the okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week for this situation, Cancer. This is a very very intuitive person, by the way, that you're dealing with. Intuitive, psychic maybe, or very spiritual, or you have age difference, maturity difference, they're quite mature than you. So we have Two of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles as the guidance for you guys. Don't make any kind of decision or choice when you are not feeling stable from inside, when you are not feeling ready from inside. You can keep things friendly and cordial if you want to, but if you feel like that is also not working out, you can tell the other person about your feelings, about your thoughts, about your energies, and you can tell them to give you the space and time to understand what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, then making the choice or decision. If they don't agree with that, they can move on. And if they agree with that, I think you should give them a time period or something, like, okay, by this time I will be able to give you the answer or something. First thing, don't make any kind of choice or decision when you are not in a stable mindset. Take your time. Take your time, take a step back, re-evaluate the situation from every possible angle, and understand what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. First thing, and tell the other person about it. Okay, if they are interested, they might wait. If they can't wait, you should let them go. Simple as that. Don't put anybody's life on hold because you are not sure. Okay, and don't be in this energy of, okay, if I'm going to miss this opportunity with this person, I might never find anybody good in my life. That's not happening. We have multiple soulmates in one lifetime only. Don't worry about it. You'll find the one that's meant for you according to your vibrations, according to your energies. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. So the answer to your question is yes. It's a yes, so I don't have to explain it to you guys. Let me see. One second. This is a clear, strong, positive response to your question. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.